Listen carefully. Right now, companies are paying everyday people to train artificial intelligence, not programmers, not tech experts. And the crazy part is the fact that you don't need coding skills, you don't even need any single experience, and you can do this from your phone or laptop. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the exact way to get paid to train AI and the best platforms to use as well, and also how to actually start earning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where you learn simple ways to make money online using your phone and free tools. AI is growing fast. Tools like ChatGPT, they didn't just appear out of nowhere. They were actually trained by real people, and that's where you come in. Let me break this down very simple. Training AI simply means you helping systems to become smarter by reviewing the responses this AI actually give, by rating the answers they also give, and also by you writing simple prompts and correcting mistakes by this AI. For example, an AI might actually give an answer and your job is simply to say this is correct, this is wrong, or just to improve it, and that's basically all you have to do, and you get paid for doing this. Let me be very real, this is not a get rich overnight thing, but it's actually very solid. Most platforms pay up to $5 to about $20 per hour, and some advanced tasks can even make your earnings even way higher. And the best part is the fact that you can scale these by working multiple platforms. You don't need to focus on a single platform. You can actually combine a whole lot of platforms to even make your earnings way higher. Now, let's get into the best platforms and what you actually be doing on each one of them. The very first platform in today's list is Clickworker. This is one of the most beginner-friendly platforms that actually pays you in return for training AI models. What you're basically doing on this site involves you writing short tasks, categorizing data, and also performing micro tasks related to AI models. Why this platform actually stands out is because of the fact that it's very easy to get started, and also it has a wide variety of tasks, and it's also a good stepping stone for beginners like you and I. You need to ensure you pass simple assessments, and in this platform, quality matters. You want to ensure you're not just rushing each assessment like that, because the more you rush, the more you reduce your access to more task. The second platform in today's list is Toloka. This platform is known for simplicity. It's so simple to do a whole lot of things on this platform. The tasks you're going to be doing on these platforms include comparing search results, verifying data, and also checking images. The main reason why a whole lot of people use this platform is because of the fact that it's very easy to enter values, and also tasks here are very available, and it works well for beginners. But then the downside here on this platform is the fact that it has lower pay at the beginning, and also it requires consistency to unlock better tasks. And then moving to the third in today's list is Appen. Appen is actually the most established platform working with large tech companies. This platform is well known and has a very high reputation. The task you're basically doing on this platform involves searching, evaluation, voice data collection, and also AI training projects. The major reason why this platform actually stands out is the fact that it has high potential for long-term projects and also higher pay opportunities. But then the downside here on this platform is the fact the application process might take a longer time, and then not all applicants are accepted immediately. And then moving to the next site in today's list is Scale AI. This is actually a very advanced platform compared to several others. And then the task you're basically doing on this side involves reviewing AI generated outputs, training large AI systems, and also complex data tasks. It's so powerful because you have higher earning potentials, and also you're training real world AI. Okay, and then the reality about this platform is it's not really beginner friendly, and also it requires a whole lot of attention to detail and consistency. Now, for you to actually get started on either of these platforms, all you have to do is to head to the site, sign up, and then like I said earlier on, you want to ensure you're signing up to about 2 to 3 platforms here, and then you want to complete your profile fully, take the qualification test, ensure you pass it very well, and then from there you can start with smaller tasks and build accuracy, track your earnings, and ensure you stay consistent. If you actually want to succeed with this method of making money online, you want to ensure that you understand that accuracy is more important than speed. It's not about rushing the work, but these companies want to ensure that their AI model models are trained very well, so you need to ensure you're taking your time to train these AI models very well. And also, consistency always beats motivation. Always follow instructions carefully and avoid any platform that asks you to pay upfront. Treat this like a real online job. Don't treat it like a shortcut to get money. So yes, getting paid to trade AI is actually very real, and now you know exactly how to get started. So if you want more videos like this, getting paid to watch videos, getting paid to chat, getting paid to test applications, then make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment AI training so I know you're ready for the next one. So make sure you actually subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.